Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era and this is your boy Ahmed, and today we're going to be talking about AI coins, the best top 10 AI coins in 2024, and we're going to do it in under 10 minutes. I'm on the clock, so let's begin. At number one, in no particular order, we have Near. Near protocol is a protocol that has branched out into AI. At the moment, the price is at $5.15 and market cap is relatively big. It's at 5.6 billion US dollars. Now, Near is a very unique protocol. It's a layer one protocol that's pivoted into AI. Near protocol enables builders to create apps that scale to billions of users across all blockchains. There's a better way to build, and it's using Near protocol. Their programming language is JavaScript, and JavaScript is the most popular language in the world. It's the most used language for coding. Near protocol uses JavaScript and is very, very popular. As you know already, JavaScript is the most popular language on earth. Build faster with JavaScript and familiar developer tools. Now let's have a look at Near's ecosystem. Near's ecosystem is booming at the moment, and they have more and more apps. As you can see, they have lending, DeFi, DEX, gaming, launchpad. But we're not here for that. We're here to zoom in into their AI dApps. They have Hyperbolic, Ring Fence, Exhibit, Pond, Nillion, and many more. For example, they have Hyperbolic, and this is one of their dApps, an open access AI cloud where you can rent GPU. You can rent GPU for your AI services. Start in seconds and keep running. We provide affordable GPU access and inference services for those at the cutting edge of AI. Time is of the essence, and I haven't got much time, so I'm gonna have to prioritize. This is number two, Ring Fence. Now, Ring Fence is where blockchain meets AI. You can create, mint, and protect and monetize your work on the blockchain. You can go to their Twitter feed and you can see their Twitter. It has an account size of 100,000 followers. And bear in mind, before I move on, some of these coins will release airdrops. So if you participate in these apps, you will be rewarded. It's not a guarantee, but most likely you will be rewarded for your participation. Another great choice that I will personally pick is Render. Render is at 35 on coin market cap, and its market cap is 2.7 billion. Fully diluted is 3.8 billion, and today is currently down 5.5%. This is a great opportunity to buy the dip. Recently, we've had a minor pullback in AI coins, and this is the best time to buy dips. The bigger the dip, the bigger the rip. Render is like the Airbnb of GPUs. You can rent their services and rent their GPUs. Instead of making your own GPU, you can harness their power using decentralized blockchain capabilities. This AI crypto project turns idle GPUs around the globe into a powerhouse for rendering anything from video games to complex AI algorithms. The Render token is the golden key that unlocks its potential, driving demand through a buffet of applications from AI, gaming, VR, AI, you name it. They provide a service for this. So you have all of this service all under the security of Ethereum. The Render price in June 2022 was 28 cents, and we've gone up a whopping 4,661% in just 2 years, ladies and gentlemen, in just 2 years. Currently, we're just below the 200-day moving average, and we need to claim this area, form it as support, and hopefully pass this. But I can easily see this coin go much further. I can see it go to triple digits. Number three, we have Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. We have a merger, and this merger is a three-way merger, and the three-way merger is 3 tokens. It's Fetch.io, Singularity Net, and Ocean Protocol. They've merged on the 13th of June. AI has captured the attention of the technology world for the last year and a half, with concerns aired that tech giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Meta will establish a monopoly over the entire sector. Fetch.ai is a protocol that builds and deploys AI services. You have AI apps, AI marketplaces, AI integration, and it deploys and monetizes these services. It's an open platform for the new AI economy. Transfer your legacy systems to be AI ready without changing your existing APIs. Some of the integrations is Skyscanner, Discord, OpenAI, Yahoo Finance, Slack, WhatsApp, and Google Calendar. Fetch.io is currently at $1.24, and from the very bottom, when we had the COVID crash, it was at 0.08 cents, a fraction of a penny, and the all-time high, or the local high shall I say, was at $3.39. We went up a whopping 42,000%, a 400x. I can see Fetch.io go much further. My ultimate target for this cycle for Fetch.io is around the $70 to $100 mark. At number 4, we have Tau. Tau is currently at $235.71. We're down 10.7%. That's a massive buy the dip opportunity. Notice the circulating supply, and it's at 7 million. 7 million tokens in circulating supply. The total supply is 21 million, just like BTC. I really like the tokenomics of this coin. This coin combines deep learning AI with blockchain technology. It uses the tokenomics of BTC. Every 4 years, there's a halvening, just like BTC. Not only that, it has a great governance, and it's very new. It's a brand new coin. It came out in May 2023. Look at the price performance so far. It looks really good. We're having a minor small pullback, but this is part of the territory in crypto. You get massive swings in the market, and then you get some pullbacks. At your own leisure, you can go through the white papers, or you can join my private members where we go into more detail into every single low cap, high cap, every coin you can imagine. We go into more details into understanding these protocols. It's in the link in the description below. The very bottom price of Tau was at $27.71, and we went up 2,424%. We went up to its peak at $726. Currently, we're having a drawdown, and from the drawdown to the very bottom is a price increase of 703%. If you missed all of these opportunities right here, if you missed this to this, a 600% increase, and again from here to here, a 200% increase, this is a very good opportunity to buy the dip. Tau is definitely a dark horse, and I can see this coin go much higher and much further. I can ultimately see this coin go to 3,000, maybe 5,000 US dollars at the very peak of the bull market. Another big hitter is Akash Network. Ticker symbol is AKT, and the market cap is 834 million US dollars. Imagine AWS as a decentralized protocol. Imagine Microsoft Azure as a decentralized protocol. Now stay with me. This protocol is a decentralized computer marketplace. They've also pivoted to AI, and now if you want to use AI computation power, you can hire their services, their GPUs and their services. As you know, AI needs a lot of computation power. You can go to Akash and use these services. It's similar to Render. Now picture this. Imagine having your own AI assistants offering not just pure chit chat in real time like ChatGPT, but data-driven insights and trading recommendations. Power AI isn't just stopping at smart conversations. It's serious about security and customization. Power AI is backed by a team committed to transparency and innovation. Driven by community feedback, POW AI isn't just another coin, another token. It's a peek into the future of personalized AI-driven engagement. The price action was at the very lowest, was at a penny, and then it went up all the way to 89 cents. We went up 70x in just over a year. At the moment, we're having a pullback, a dip, and the best price to buy is at this area at 10 cents. If you can whip some POW tokens at this area, it's going to be phenomenal. We might consolidate for a small while and then head higher. This is a great time to accumulate. We're gonna consolidate for a little while and then we're gonna go for a meteoric rise, and I can see this token go to at least $10. It's a niche concept and it's a multi-platform second generation AI solution that utilizes the latest developments in AI. We focus on accessibility, innovation, and revenue sharing. Basically, AI is going to be in everything, in everywhere possible to find the most efficient, inefficient markets and make it more efficient. Therefore, it raises up productivity and there is a new stem and a new growth in these protocols. It has a solid roadmap, and if you want to learn more about these protocols, then join my private members. It's in the link in the description below. Next up, we have SPEC. Ticker symbol SPEC, and right now the market cap is at 68 million. Circulating supply is at 10 million. We had a drawdown, it was at $14, and we're having a fire sale. It's gone down 50-60%. It's at currently $6.48. It's a great token, has a great potential in the market. Right now we're just having a sell-off. Some of the VCs and some of the token holders are taking profits. I've spoken about SPEC before in my previous video about AI coins. It uses natural language and converts it into Solidity code, enabling you to ship production grade smart contracts, arbitrage agents, NFTs, roll-ups, and much more. Make me a meme coin for altcoin era. SPEC's competitor is OXO, but it has a privacy coin. It's similar to SPEC, and this one is OXO. Let me find you OXO. Here we go. Market cap is 168 million. Its total supply is 891 million in circulating supply. As you can see here, we've had a substantial pullback, but this is indicative of the market. Nvidia has gone up to massive amounts, and I think it's just going to have a cooling off moment. Let me show you Nvidia. Nvidia has had a parabolic run from here, from the 2022 lows all the way up here. It's gone up for a large cap. It's gone up 1,162%, and it's become the largest stock in the planet. It's bigger than countries and some G7 countries. I believe what will happen next is we're going to have a correction and a consolidation until the next leg up. These kind of technologies, they normally 10x, 100x, they keep going parabolic. We're going to see more and more in this space, and we're going to see more AI dApps, companies, protocols, you name it, in the entire landscape. I did tell my private members this is a great opportunity to buy the dip. We're having a reversal at the moment. We headed down, we hit this peak and we headed down. Now slowly but surely we're going to head up higher to these areas. If it continues to go down, then this is a great opportunity to continue to buy the dip. Here at altcoin era, we can see this coin get much higher, maybe closer to $60-$70. That's still a substantial gain from the prices that we have now. I think it's a solid project and it's going to do relatively well compared to this. OXO and SPEC are very similar. They are competitors in this market. From the very bottom at 0.02, we went up from there to the peak. We went up 2,076%. The peak was at 53 cents. It's continuing to come back down and we're going to find a better area of demand. Once the demand steps in, we're going to continue to go much higher. This has a very bright future. Let's have some fun. We're going to compare the two coins. We have SPEC on the left hand corner and we have OXO on the right hand corner. It looks very similar. This is the weekly. From top to bottom, we went down 65% roughly. If we have a look at OXO, we went down 62%. So if we look at a fractal, it's very similar how they're both behaving. So we're going to see and we're going to follow this through. If you want to find out more information, join my private members. The link is in the description below. Shortly after OXO went up 20x, let's just do a 10x. From here to here, let's do a 10x and we could see a price at $62. I'm sorry, I went way over time. Sorry, I went way over time. Forgive me. I tried to make that under 10 minutes. So if you liked it, smash the like button, subscribe, make sure you comment, and wherever you are, good morning, good evening, good night. Peace.